Hello everyone, so it means round number 9 of these games from this one in FIDE Women's Grand Prix Monaco 2025. So it means last round from this round 9, so it means 1 hour and 30 minutes from this long game from these games. And also have a Grandmaster from this India is Hampi Konero versus International Master Zakastan is Baby Sara Asalbayeva. So it's Baby Sara Asalbayeva from this one. So in this round number 9 here, in this part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this round number 9 in FIDE Women's Grand Prix. So white plays Conero is d4, knight f6 Baby Sara, c4, g6, g3, and also bishop g7. So it means upcoming castle kingside here, and also bishop g2. So it means bishop g2 is called King's Indian Games Fianchetto variation from this one, and also d6 here. So it means main line here is moved by d5, or maybe here coming castle kingside here from this one. So it means good variations here from this one. And also moved by d6 by Baby Sara, and also knight c3, castle, knight f3. So it means ready from this castle kingside by Conero, and also knight c6, castle kingside, e5. Oh my god, still e5 here, and also h3. So it means no more by bishop g4 or knight g4, and also capture this one, knight takes d4, knight takes d4, queen takes knight, and also rook e8. So it means develops here by Baby Sara here, and also queen h4, and also knight d7. So it means queen to queen, queen takes, rook takes, and also knight b5. So it means knight b5 without coming by here with a threat by c7 here by pawns here, and also c6 threat by knights, knight takes, and also knight c5 without opening, or maybe rook with a threat by knights here. So it means without threat, or maybe without captured, or maybe knight with a threat by bishop here from this one. And also knight takes bishop, rook takes c8, and also rook b1, knight a4. So it means knight a4 with a develops here by Baby Sara, and also bishop e4, and also rook e8. So it means without defense. No. So it means, or not defense. So it means rook with a threat by bishop here, or maybe with a threat by bishop by Conero. So it means without threat, without target. So it means developed by captured, and also bishop c2 threat by knights, and also b5 with a protects by knights here. Bishop takes knight, pawn takes bishop, and also good move bishop e3. Good move by Conero. Or still with a threat by here by a7 by pawns here. Without develops here. And also c5. So it means c5 by move by c5 by Baby Sara, and also rook fc1, and also rook e4 without use by battery, or maybe rook ce1, rook ce8 here from this one, and also king f1, bishop d4. So it means bishop d4 here, and also bishop f4. Still novelty by Conero. So it means old main line here is capture this bishop, or maybe capture this bishop here from this one here, or maybe develops here from this one. Good novelty here. So back there is bishop f4 avoided by Hampi Conero, and also h5, b3. So it means b3 by develops here, and also captured, rook takes b3, and also rook c6, or maybe with a move by here by rook e6 battery here from this one, and also rook b7 with a threat by a7 here by pawns, and also rook e6 defense by pawns here from this a7 here, and also good move rook c2, h4, or maybe sacrifice. Let me sacrifice pawn by Baby Sara, And also rook c7. Oh my god, still moving here, still bad move by Conero here. So the best moves there is rook b8 check. Or maybe if you move by king g7 here. Or maybe still develops here from this one. Or maybe is we need to focus of this analyze of these moves here. So back there is rook c7. And also pawn takes g3, bishop takes g3, and also rook e6. So it means without code 6 rank. 6 rank here from this one. And also king g2. And also rook a4. Or maybe rook a4 here from this Bibisara here. And also e3 with a threat by bishop here. And also bishop e5. So it means still with a threat by here by rook. With a threat, or maybe here move by bishop, or maybe with a threat bishop, or maybe rook here, or maybe double threat here from this one, and also rook takes c5. So it means good decisions by Conero here, and also bishop takes g3, and also king takes bishop, and also rook ea6. So it means battery here, or maybe with a threat by a2, or maybe with a battery here from this one, and also rook c8 check, king g7, and also another good move is c5. Good move by Conero here, or maybe with a move, or maybe move by c6, or maybe c7, or maybe still by move here against that white pieces here, and also rook takes a2, and also rook c4. Why don't we capture this rook takes captured, or maybe here is rook takes a2, or maybe with a threat by here by f2, or maybe with a threat here, my targets here by f2 here, and also f3. Oh, still f4, f4, f4 here, or maybe if you move here by rook a3, or still is king f3. Still develops here, so it means good examples here from this one. Again, we'll repeat, if you move by, or maybe f3 here from this one, and also rook a3, or maybe here is e4. So it's still good examples here from this one. Or maybe we need to focus, or maybe move by here without strongest master of these moves here. So back there is rook c4, and also rook f6. Oh my god, but still it's okay. So it means without threat by f2, or maybe with a double, or maybe with a double by with a threat one pawns here from this one. But and also with the problems here, or maybe here, and also rook f6, or still another, or still bad move by Bibisara here. So the best moves there is king f6 here, or maybe with a king f6 here, where the develops by Bibisara by white. I mean not by white. So it means black pieces here. So it means black pieces here by Bibisara here. So back there is rook f6, and also good move c6. Good move by Conero here. And also rook a6, so still with a threat by c6 here, or maybe with a dangerous by move here. And also f4, or maybe develops by f4 here, and also rook d6, king f3, and also rook b6, or maybe with a move by here, or maybe move by a5 by move by Bibisara here, and also king e4, or maybe with a move here by move by king e5 by Conero here, or still moving here from this one, and also king f6, and also f5, capture this one, check, and also king f4, and also king g7. Oh my god, still lowest evaluation bar, or maybe with a backwards by king g7. So it means another bad move by I am baby Sarah. So the best moves there is a5. So it means, never mind, is this lowest evaluation bar, so it means a5 here. So back there is king g7 and also pushes c7. So it means pushes here, and also rook dc6, captured, and also king e5, rook c3, or maybe with a threat by e3, or maybe with a threatening by e3 here from this one, and also king d6, rook d3 check, and also king c6, rook c3 check, and also king b7, and also rook b3, or maybe with a king with a threat by e7. Or why don't you move here is a5 here, or maybe move, it's okay, move here, or maybe with a develops here from this one. So back there is rook b3 check, and also capture this king by pawns, and also rook c3, king b6, rook b3 check, king c5, almost there by threat by rooks here, and rook c3 check, and almost moved by king d4, threat by rook, and also rook backward c1, and also h4, rook c2, or maybe with a move here by h2, or maybe here is check, maybe develops here from this one, h5, rook c1, or maybe check here, or maybe still by rook d1 check here, and also h6 check without sacrifice by GM Conero. So it means sacrifice here, and also last shot is king h7, but still with a move here by king, so it means king by black pieces here, so still without enough by move here, and also resigned by I am baby Sarah. So why she resigns? Because if you move by, for example, if you move by king, oh wait, if you move by a4, e4, so it means e4, if you capture this one, or maybe only move here, and also king takes e4, or maybe if you king takes h6 here, and also rook h1, oh rook h8, rook h8 check, or maybe here is king g7, or maybe king g7, if you promote by c8 queens here from this one, if you capture this rook, or maybe if you rook takes, and also here is f6, f6 here, or maybe if you rook c7 check, and king g6, and also rook c6, so still enough by here, cannot move by here by f5, still because of this check, or maybe that's enough by move, so still end of this battle, still lost by blacks here, and lose by Zakastan by I am Bibi Sara. So the winner of this one is Grandmaster from this India is Hampi Conero. So still congratulations here from this one. Another one from this round number 9, and also have a Russia versus Mongolia here. I will analyze of these games from this one later. So I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi 17, aka I call Mike 17. Have a good day and keep safe, and bye bye.